What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We got Spidey in the building as always. This is the Apple Watch Ultra in all its beautiful glory. You've seen my videos on it, you know how stoked I am about it. I really like this. I've gotten a couple bands. You guys know with my OCD, if I get any product, any tech product, I'm going to get multiple, a plethora, however you want to describe it, of cases, bands, protectors, screen protector, whatever the case is. No pun intended. Yeah, I know y'all see that. Anyways, I'm gonna get multiple of those because I like to switch things up. You know, different taste of the week, different style for the week. You never know. These are the trail loops. I got these off of Amazon.com. You can find these for $25.99. It comes with all three of these. The link will be in the description. Just a quick disclaimer: these are not the same ones. As you can see, this one is more so of an all black one. This is a black and gray. Only difference is it has that gray. So first, let's talk about the build, because this is going to be a review for these bad boys. Because I found out of all the new bands for the Apple Watch Ultra, I like these the most. I thought it was going to be the Alpine, but I actually like the Trail a lot better than all the other ones. The build of these is pretty good, pretty solid. You got your Velcro in here. So I thought this was gonna fray over time just with pulling and, you know, sticking the Velcro on here, but it doesn't. You have these 4 Velcro strips right here. You just lightly tap it on, and the Velcro is like very strong on here. I didn't think it was going to be that strong, but obviously if you pull in this way on your band, it's not going to come off. You know, the only way to really pull this off is to peel it like that. So the Velcro on the trail loops are very strong. It's, you know, it's cloth, so it is subject to getting dirty. How to clean these new bands, I have no clue yet, unless you have the ocean band. That is pretty simple to clean it. You rinse some water on it, wash it off. But these cloth ones, I gotta figure out, because I don't want to throw these things in, like, I mean, you might have to hand wash it in the sink. I don't freaking know. But if you know how to wash these things, let me know, because they will get dirty, obviously, if you're being active. I like the way these fit on me. It is very snug. I think this goes on this one. Yeah, it is very snug, and this is my favorite color, by the way. That's why I have the Apple Watch face to match it accordingly. You know, have to keep it somewhat coordinated. So let's put this on really quick. And to put it on, it's like super simple. Going against the Alpine, it's a lot easier to put on. But the fit of this thing is so comfy and snug on my wrist. This isn't too tight. Obviously, you can adjust it to where you want. But I found out I get a pretty good fit pretty much every time that I throw this bad boy on. So the fit of it is great. The design of the trail loop is simple but effective. I like the highlighted tab right here just to let you know where to peel off. This one doesn't have that highlighted one, but I still like it. It's cool. I know where it's at. But I like the little highlighted tab to let you know where to peel it off. The Velcro strips right here, you just need these 4 right here. It'll get pretty good resistance on here. It's simple, not distracting, super comfy. The design, it's great. It's not too bulky, not too weird looking on me. The durability of these bad boys, like I said, the cloth is good. It's gonna get dirty if you're doing stuff, if you're active, if you're doing outside thing, it's gonna get dirty. So the durability is good, but it's going to get dirty, and I have yet to figure out how to clean it. So as far as durability, it's gonna sustain, like it's not gonna rip or anything on you. So as far as the actual durability, it's good, but the cleaning part, we gotta figure that out. So I'm not gonna make this video too long because it's just a watch band. I'm not gonna bore you guys for 15-20 minutes, not even 10 minutes, because Spidey, we on time. Let me know what you guys think about these bands in the comments down below. Like I said, these are my favorite ones. These are by far better than the Alpine and the Oceanic bands. Thank you guys for tuning in. As always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.